Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11th CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities exercise 6.2 fifth sum. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically in two-dimensional figure. So in two-dimensional figure we need to solve this inequalities in graph. So you need to do it in graph. They have given x minus y is less than or equal to 2. We don't know to do graph is less than or equal to, that is with inequalities we don't know to do the graph. So we are taking, let us consider the given graph to be x minus y is equal to 2. So I am just taking this to be in equal to. So if in equal to, we know to do the sum. So now we can substitute the value of x or y to find another one. So let us take a point x to be 0. If x is 0, then minus y will be equal to 2, y will be equal to minus 2. So if x is 0, we know that y is equal to minus 2. If y is 0, I am taking y to be 0. If y is 0, we know that x is equal to 2 when y is equal to 0. If this becomes 0, so x will be directly equal to 2. When y is 0, x is equal to 2. There is 2 points is more than enough to draw the graph. I am just taking only 2 points. Now let's see here. I have drawn the number line, the graph. So now 0 comma minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2 is here. 0 minus 2. 0 in y axis minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2. Now 2 comma 0. 2 in x axis and 0 in 2 comma 0 is here. Now 0 comma minus 2 is here. Join these two lines. Join the 2 points, we get a graph. This is the graph of the equation x minus y is equal to 2. We want a graph of x minus y is less than or equal to 2. For that, take any point from this side or from this side. You can take your own points. I am going to take 0 comma 0 because 0 comma, if the line doesn't pass through 0 comma 0, you can take the point 0 comma 0. So it will be easy for you to substitute to find the value if you substitute 0 comma 0. So let me take 0 comma 0. Substitute 0 comma 0 in the given equation. If I substitute this in the given equation, I get 0. 0 minus 0 will become 0. 0 is less than or equal to 2. Always see the greater symbol or the lesser symbol. If I take a lesser symbol, 0 is less than 2. 0 is less than 2 is the correct statement. So it is true. Therefore, you need to draw a shading portion on the 0 comma 0. That is towards 0 comma 0. For inequalities, you need to shade the place because it is less than, it's not from a single line or a single point, it can be many points. So shading will tell you that this is the place of the given graph. So you need to write the given statement to be the shaded region in the graph towards the origin shows the inequality. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.